So here y'all have quick look at a order from Minnie Rose Co. So this past week she actually offered grab bags. So they were all different. You didn't get to pick which items were in there. And it has been a minute since I ordered something from Minnie Rose Co. So I thought that this would be a great way to get some of the things that I missed and some of the things that I had been looking at. So let's take a look and see what we have. So if you're familiar with Minnie Rose Co, you know that she is like the queen of, I call enamel pins. So this is the Kamala enamel pin. And her enamel pins are very, like I say, they're super thick and sturdy. So you can see the thickness on there. And you see the detail. Y'all have to excuse my hands, I have to do my nails. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm assuming maybe it's like a washi cutter. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. And then we have the Focus keychain. I like this image. This is really cute. I can take it out. I have to excuse all the plastic sounds. So it is black. It has the hook on there, and then it has the Minnie Rose Co words on the back. That's pretty cute. And it is very sturdy. So I do like that. And then we also have 3 rolls of washi. So this one says Girl Boss. And then this just has, I can't remember the doll's name on there. And this one is tan. And it has like small icons. I'll open this one up to see what that one is about. And then this is probably the main reason why I purchased the grab bag, because I wanted to try one of her sticker wallets. I call them sticker wallets. They're kind of, I guess, like sticker books, but I'm gonna open that one last. And who doesn't love a good notepad? So this one included, now wait a minute, is this a notepad or loose sheets? Okay, it's a notepad. And I like the size of this, I do. And then, so you can see the design on there. So that's super cute. And that's the same design that's on this washi tape, except for the background. And then we have a focus journal. So it has success. And it's the mirror image on the back. I don't know if I want to open this or not, because I'm not sure if this is something I'm going to keep or gift. Let me see if I can see if the paper is lined. Okay, so it is dot grid paper. Okay. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or end up gifting that. And the one I wanted to say this too with the washi, that I do appreciate that she makes the larger size as well. So this looks like a wristlet. Now, if you're not familiar, Minnie Rose Co and the CEO of Gold Coco are cousins. And I believe that this was the doll that she made like a homage to Felicia. So Planner Girl Essentials. So this is a cute pin pouch. You put your pins and your tweezers and everything in there. Okay. Because it's white, I am going to put that back in the plastic. And then And then we have stickers. So this is, and if you haven't noticed, Minnie Rose Co stickers come on like this, I don't know, I guess it's thinner than vellum, but it is like a frosted or clear material. And actually, once you peel the stickers off of it, you can actually punch it and use it for something else. So this is Floral Beauty. So it's an array of floral bouquets. And then we have Haley. I don't think I ever remember seeing Haley. I like Haley. That's cute. And then I believe she was calling these the minis. So we had Rosie. Let me see so you can see Rosie. And Lexi. Okay. And I believe every grab bag came with a sticker wallet. So that's one reason why I was like, I didn't really care that you didn't get to pick the items. It was well worth the price. And the album itself is super soft. I have to tell you, it is super soft. And I love the girl with the fro. So we open it up. We have a pocket. And then we have the sleeves. I believe they are, yes, they are the side open sleeves. So with these sleeves, you can either do one or two things. You can do where you, I'm gonna start on this end, where you stick one sheet on each side like this, or you could stick, for those people who have like a lot of stickers, you can do, you can fit two sheets in one sleeve. But no, if you use this sleeve here, it's going to cover up that back design. But if you have multiple sheets that are the same, this definitely you'll be able to accommodate two in there and still put two in here without busting the seams. So I'm going to actually leave them in there. And this is super soft and it is compact. It is compact, and then you have the small clip on here where you can add a clip or attach it in the inside of your purse or anything. But I do like the convenience of this. So if you're going to be planning while you're on vacation or away from the house, or just planning outside and you want to take a couple of sheets or something with you, there are plenty in here where you could keep, you know, your collection of sticker sheets and then your extras that you want to plan with, either in the pocket or in the individual sleeves. But it is super soft. I really like this, and I think that this is a cute idea. I love the fact that it's compact and it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it holds a lot. So that's definitely a plus. And I'm going to use this paper to swatch. And this is the thing, I'm not really big on using, a lot of times when I use washi, it's because I'm redating and I'm covering things up. So for me, that's why I appreciate the thicker washi, and I appreciate the designs. I like that she puts the dials on her washi. Oh, my nails look atrocious. Y'all don't come for me and judge me. So this is Girl Boss. Now I'm not going to cut them because I'm going to pick that right back up and use it. Okay, can I get this one open? I might need assistance with this one. And I like the fact that they are, that they're thin enough where it's not going to be bulky on the page, but they're thick enough where if I'm covering something up, you won't be able to see through it. I'm looking down at my fingers and I'm like, yeah, I knew better. But I wanted to show this to you guys before I start putting stuff away. So this, oh, I really like that one too. It's that one. I was saying today is wash and clean day, so I won't be redoing my nails until tomorrow or the weekend. So don't worry, I'm not gonna be on here looking super janky. And I'm trying to figure out what it actually says on there. I can't tell if I think it says favorite things. Yes, favorite things. So then we have the brown. You know what, Tawana? We don't have to do this. It's okay. So that way, let me see if I turn the light on. Is that a little bit better? I turned the light off because I didn't want to show the glare too much. There we go. So that's the 3 washi tape. So to me, this was a awesome grab bag. So we got the Girl Boss washi tape. I want to keep saying, I think this is KP is the name of the style. And then we have our favorite things washi tape. It also came with the enamel pin, the focus keychain. And let me know if this is supposed to be a washi tape cutter or what. Because I feel like it's super thick. It's a thick acrylic. And it has the little loops in there and the keychain on there. So if anybody knows if this is not a washi cutter or what it's actually supposed to be used for, let me know in the comments. Depending on its use or not, it might be something that I can gift. And if you have, I don't know if she has any grab bags left, but if you have a planner buddy that you like to send goodies to, this grab bag is perfect because you can grab the things, like if you wanted another sticker wallet or you wanted one period like me, like you saw them but you kept missing out. It's a perfect way to grab the sticker album, get some washi for that sticker friend that you love washi. We all could use a notebook or a journal. It is, this particular one is dot grid. And with not even just planners, everybody needs a notepad around the house. So you have enough goodies in here that you could get the things that you want, keep some things for yourself, and gift a couple of items. So I think she did a great job with the goodie bag, with the grab bag, excuse me. So again, we had the journal, the notepad, the planner essential bag, because that's what I'm gonna call it, with the pen bag, the keychain, the washi cutter, the enamel pen, 3 rows of washi tape, 3 different sizes, the photo album or photo wallet, whichever your preference is. And I feel like now I should have put the stickers in the front, and I might go back and move on. So, and we have what, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there, as you see, there are plenty of pages in here. Now, I don't know if these are like the little twisty ones that you can get in like memory books or autograph books that you can untwist and add more sheets. But truthfully, because this is so compact and so neat, I would not want to add more sheets. I would leave this as is, and if push came to shove, just buy another one of these, just because of how compact it is. Because I'm actually going to be using this for when I'm on vacation, because I do like to carry my planner with me when I'm on vacation. So I carry my planner and my journal with me. So this will be great to put a couple of stickers in without carrying like a really big thick album. So, but this is my grab bag from Minnie Rose Co. The shipping was pretty quick. I know they were available. She had the grab bags, and then she also had the sticker wallets on sale as well. She is about to, I think she said the 4th, or I can't remember if she said the 4th or if it would be after Labor Day when she would be launching some of her new items. I'm going to put a link to her Instagram as well as her website in the description box as well. Have a great day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Peace and blessings to you all. Love up on those who love you, and have a great one.